oloso e twak ewi chal mar kaunti ma Migori. Gavana Ochila Yako medo gi gero klese mag nasari kara isidim maromo 140 kod omenda maromo milion 140 ka magi gin moko kuom gigo matende osetimo e kinde mar higni 2. Ochilo mane wuoyo e bura kara od bura ma Migori owacho ni bende giseloso apeini maromo kilomita 1,500 kara apeini maromo 1,500 ma okawo omenda maromo milion 900 kod kunyo yawo manyien maromo 90.
The members of the county assembly
undertaking the construction of the Migori County headquarters to avail more office space for service delivery, which is currently a big challenge to all of us. I want to report that despite the challenges of sporadic exchequer releases to county governments, we have managed to pay pending bills to our suppliers, contractors, and service providers to the tune of 1.1 billion since the start of the financial year 24-25. Our pending bills at the start of the financial year was Kenya shillings 1,765,656,882 shillings. So far, we have paid a total of 1,116,462,751 shillings. We have established Migori County Revenue Authority through an act of this assembly to strengthen our revenue collection efforts to boost our own source revenue.
Gikone torruok mar lakteche ma pacho ka MPDU oketo koge winjruok ma kanyakla more kaka collective bargaining agreement kara CBA